Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Now we start our top 5 MCQs which are very important for any exam. Let's start beginning with the first question of the first slide. First question is asking regarding the President of India. Which of the following option is correct regarding the President of India? First statement is he can consult over any constitutional issue with the Supreme Court under Article 142. Option second, Article 61 brings a constitutional mandate to remove President of India through impeachment. Which option is correct? Question is asking for correct statement. So statement first is incorrect because it is not under Article 142 but it is under Article 143, in which President can ask or consult over any constitutional issue with the Supreme Court. And the second statement is correct because the term impeachment is used for President in under Article 61. So correct answer is option B. Now moving to second question. In which state Pin Valley National Park is located? Option A Arunachal Pradesh, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Daman and Diu, option D Himachal Pradesh. And the correct option is option D. Option D, where Pin Valley National Park is located in district of Spiti Valley. Now moving to third question. The term Kamraj Plan is referred for. Option A formation of new port in Tamil Nadu. Option B to bring a drastic change within the party. It was a resignation plan from all leaders of Congress in 1960s. C making a new bridge. D bringing a changes in cyber security. And the correct option for the term Kamraj Plan is used to bring a drastic change within the party. It was a resignation plan from all leaders of Congress in 1960, which was projected by K. Kamraj. Now moving to fourth question. Here the question is asking for the choose the right option. Choose the right option. Option A NDMA National Disaster Management Authority comes under direct control of Environment Ministry. Wrong, it comes under Home Ministry. Second, Indian Meteorological Department comes under purview of Home Ministry. Wrong, it comes under Earth Ministry. C is correct. C is correct and D is incorrect. D Jaffna is located in Red Sea. It is incorrect because it is located in northern region of the Sri Lanka. And C is correct. NATO is a security alliance of several countries of Europe and North America because and the correct option is option C. NATO is a security alliance of several countries of Europe and North America, and its headquarters is located in Belgium, and its full form is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Now moving to our last question. Which option is correct regarding the ranking of India? First statement is asking India holds first rank in cotton production is incorrect because India holds second rank after China in cotton production. Second statement, India is under top 5 countries in production of silicon chips globally. It is also wrong because India is not under the top 5 countries for the production of silicon chips globally. So the correct option for this question is option D. Both is incorrect. So option D is none. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of Last Mile Approach. Please like, share and subscribe our initiative.